So method of completing the square, as I told you, this should be equal to 1. Make it 1. So for this one, we will divide the whole equation by 4. Divide by 4. So we get x square plus root 3x plus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Then we have to make the coefficient of x half and add and subtract its square. Correct? So add root 3 by 2. Add and subtract square of, add and subtract root 3 divided by 2 and its square. So we get x square plus root 3x plus, always write plus first, under root 3 by 2 whole square, then minus under root 3 by 2 whole square, and plus 3 by 4 as it is. No need to change anything. 3 by 4, write as it is, 3 by 4 is equal to 0. And this will become the whole square. Completing the square, it will complete the square. So here it is plus, so we will take x plus root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to, and other values you can bring right hand side. So root 3 by 2 whole square will become positive on right hand side. This plus will become minus 3 by 4. And now solve right hand side, x plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 square is 3 and square of 2 is 4. 4 minus 3 minus 4 upon 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 4. That is 0. Both will cancel. So right hand side we are getting 0. So we have left with x plus root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 0. That means you have two repeated factors. Same root, we are getting x plus root 3 by 2 is equal to 0, or x plus root 3 by 2 is equal to 0, which is giving x is equal to minus root 3 by 2, or x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So these are called the repeated roots, same roots. Okay, so therefore the roots of the given equation are, the roots of the given equation are minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. Okay, this is part 3 of question number 1. Question number 1, part 3 we did. Okay, now fourth question you can try yourself. fourth part. Okay, so now you go to the next question. Okay, so now we will do formula method. So in formula method, actually we are solving the same equation by using one formula. That's why it is called formula method. Formula method in general is, if you have given a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then by formula method we can write x is equal to the formula you have to remember minus b. You can put the values of a, b to find the value of x, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4 into a into c, and this whole value is divided by 2a. This is the formula method. Okay, just you have to substitute. Taking positive sign we get one value, another sign we get another value. Okay, so we can take question number 4 because we will do that 4.3. That is question number 1, part number 4 I am taking. That is 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. This question number 4 I will solve by using this formula method. Okay. So here first of all you have to recognize what is a, what is b, and what is c here. So here a is the coefficient of x square, so a is equal to 2. A is the coefficient of x square. This is a is equal to 2, and b is equal to, here 1 is always there. So we will take b is equal to 1, and c is the constant term, c is equal to 4. Okay. Now put in the formula, put in x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So always do like this. You have to write the formula. Okay. So we get x is equal to minus. This minus is there in the formula. Always write minus. Then put the value of b, that is 1 here, plus minus under root b square minus 4ac under root b square. B square is here 1. B is 1. So 1 is square minus 4 into a. A is 2 into c. C is 4. B square minus 4ac under the root divided by 2 into a. A is 2. Okay, just substitute the values, solve them. Here plus minus, minus 1 plus minus under root 1 square is 1 minus 4, 4 is 16. So there is no real value is coming. If the discriminant is negative, so we will change this question. We are not taking the same one because the answer is imaginary number, and how it will be imaginary number, that I will tell you later on, how to get imaginary number and when we get the imaginary number. So I am changing this question negative 4. So C will become negative 4. Negative 4. Not taking this question. This is new question. So then it will become minus. This will become minus 4AC. Minus 4. And because of these two minus, it will become plus 4 to the 8. 8 4 to the 32. It doesn't matter if you are not getting perfect square, no matter. So here we are getting x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 33 by 4. So because under root 33 cannot be solved further, so we will take positive sign. Now taking positive sign, and if possible we will solve So after this, we will write the step taking positive sign, taking positive, taking positive sign, we get one value because we need to have two roots of this equation. It's a quadratic equation. When you take plus sign, you will get one answer minus 1 plus root 33 by 4. If some question it is solvable, we can solve it, but here it is not solvable further, so this is the answer. And now negative sign, taking negative sign, we get x is equal to minus 1 minus under root 33 divided by 4. So these are the roots. Therefore, the root of the given equation or quadratic equation are first root is minus 1 plus under root 33 divided by 4, and second root is minus 1 minus under root 33 divided by 4. Okay. So like this formula method will be applied. So we can solve by any method if it is not mentioned in the question. Okay. And if it is mentioned solve by formula method, then we have to do by formula method. So next question we will do by next question. Actually, we have to do all these questions by formula method in question number 2. Question number 3 now. We will take question number 3. Same exercise 4.3. Question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. Find the roots of the quadrant. Here it is not mentioned which formula you can you have to use. It is not mentioned. So we can use any formula. So x minus, sometimes it is not given, the equation is not given, some condition is given, that is for the, if you will put 0 at this equation will become infinity. That's why this condition should be followed, but we don't have to do anything while solving this condition. This condition only is there for the existence of this given quadratic equation. So sometimes you have not given in this format ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So then we have to solve and convert, like here. First we will convert into this form. Then we can use any formula. So we are doing for now formula method. So x into x square minus 1 is equal to 3. This x will multiply with 3. So we get x square minus 1 is equal to 3x, and 3x you can bring on left hand side. So x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we got the equation which is in the standard form quadratic. So a here, just remember this sign, don't forget to take this minus. So a is equal to what? 1. Here what is there? What is the coefficient of x square? 1. And the coefficient of x is b, that is equal to minus 3. Minus 3, and c is equal to minus 1. Okay. Then formula is x square, oh sorry, it's not x square, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Put in formula. Okay, this put in formula. So we get x is equal to minus b. B is minus 3. So minus 3. Put in the bracket always negative values, so that later on you can see that their signs will multiply and it will change. Plus minus b square. B is what? Minus 3 square minus 4 into A. What is A? 1 into C. C is again minus 1. So this minus and this minus will become plus divided by 2A. 2 into A. A, the value of A is 1. Okay, so now it will become minus minus plus 3. No need to write plus, but for your convenience, I am writing here plus minus under root 3 square is 9, and this minus and minus will become plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, this will become 9 plus 4, 13. So x will be equal to 3 plus minus under root 13 divided by 2. Now taking positive sign to get first root. So taking positive sign. So we get x is equal to 3 plus under root 13 cannot be solved further, divided by 2, and then taking negative sign. On taking negative sign, we get the value of x as 3 minus under root 13 by 2. So these are the roots. Therefore, root of the given quadratic equation are 3 plus under root 13 by 2 and 3 minus under root 13 by 2. So question number 2 of second part of question 3. 1 by, again we have given 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. So as I told you, first we have to convert all the given equations into this format: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. For that we have to make the LCM, correct? LCM will be equal to the product of the denominators, because we don't have any common factors, x plus 4 and x minus 7. And x minus 7 will multiply here, and this minus is here. X plus 4 will multiply with 1, so 11 by 30 as this. Okay, now solve the numerator. First, we will solve the numerator. So denominator write as it is, x plus 4 and x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. X minus 7 minus x minus 4. So this minus plus cancel, we get minus 7 minus 4 minus 11. So minus 11 upon this, we can multiply x into x, x square, minus 7 plus 4 minus 3x, and minus 7 for the 28. I am doing it directly, and this is 11 by 30. And either you bring this 11 this side, or you can cancel this 11, and this will become minus. So this 30 will multiply with minus 1. So this will become minus 30, and right hand side will become x square minus 3x minus 28. And this 30 also you bring this side, we get x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0. Equal to 0. And therefore the equation is x square minus 3x is equal to. Now it is up to you. You can use splitting the middle term. You can use formula method. hmm, And you can use completing the square. But the easiest one is splitting the middle term. So minus 3 can be written as minus 2 minus 1. Their multiplication is 2. So we can write x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 2 minus common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2 common, x minus 1 left is equal to 0. Equating to each 0, so we get x is equal to 1 or 2. 1 and 2 are the roots of the given equation. 1 or 2 are roots of the. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will take the word problems and we will solve first question by completing the square, next by formula method, and then splitting the term. So all methods we will use one by one. Okay.